guys? Hope you are well. I think I might have found something that I can use for an e-bike. One thing that I do hate more than running out of battery is worrying about flats, especially with bicycle tubes. I've never used this stuff before, so this is going to be new to me. It's pretty laid out how you got to set it up and squirt it into your tube. And everything you need is complete. It's right here. You got the tube that goes on your Schrader. The Schrader remover itself is actually in the lid, so you don't have to go buying one of those. That's kind of sweet. It also gives you the proper doses for that's bicycle, motorcycle. Looks like a, I don't know, a wheelbarrow and a dolly or something. It's got the measurements there. That's 4 what is it, ounces, milliliters. So it's 4, 8. You should be able to get at least 4 doses out of it. So for me to do the bike, I'm looking at half of the bottle. That's not bad. This will help with the range anxiety when it comes to flats anyway. If I see a bright green poking out of the tire, then I know that I've got a flat. But it says it's non-toxic and everything, so it just has a warning: not recommended on passenger vehicles. Will not seal punctures outside the tread. Obviously it won't, because of the force of it spinning around inside the tire. It won't get the sides. Side punctures, or you're pretty much screwed. But this should be alright. We'll take it downstairs and try it out. I'll just show you doing one tube anyway, and then I'll quickly do the other one. Not a big deal. See if this remover actually works, which doesn't feel like it's working. No, there it goes. Swish. I'm not going to do it down here. I'm going to do it up here, because this way it'll run down and pool at the bottom. Let me get this bottle broken open. It doesn't really have much of a smell to it either. Just smells like an inner tube. Just squeeze it in. And then check our, see what we're at. Measuring it out isn't going to be very easy, but I mean, you don't have to be exact, right? That's probably it there. Let me check it real quick. Well, not much to see here, guys. That's basically it. Just got to put the Schrader back in there. I mean, this stuff would also be good for motocross wheels as well. Someone's probably going to chime in and say that it's garbage and it goops everything up. I've never used it, so I couldn't tell you. This is the first time for me. If I don't like it, then I'll stop using it. You guys remember this pump? Picked this up cheap. For some odd reason, the minute I bought it, it doubled in price, which kind of sucks, but these are really good bell pumps. It's got Pestra and Schrader on there. I know someone posted, how do you use the Presta? I mean, dude, it's on there. You just basically push it on and lock it down. Let me get this on there. Yeah, good enough. Yeah, so there you go. This stuff is pretty painless to use. And I can't imagine it's going to dry up in the bottle. Maybe it will, I don't know. And we'll do the back, and that may help with the anxiety of getting a flat this summer. was pretty painless. I got exactly half. And it does wash off with water pretty easily. We'll see if it works. And hopefully, actually, I hope I don't see if it works. But if I do get it flat, obviously I'll mention it and I'll show it actually working. But yeah, it's pretty easy to put in. Later, guys.